In this step-by-step drawing tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to draw a 1957 Chevy. For a more detailed breakdown of this process, be sure to follow the link below to howtodrawstuff.com, where you can even print out this step-by-step process. Begin the drawing by drawing a 3D rectangle like the one shown. The rectangle that you draw will represent the main body of the car. Remember to draw loosely and light at this stage. Don't be too rigid and try to draw with your whole arm. Now draw another 3D rectangle shape on top of the one that you have already drawn. Be sure to draw this form further toward the end of the first rectangular form. This shape will eventually become the cabin of the 1957 Chevy. In the next step of the drawing, you will begin to add some of the details. First, draw two circles at the front of the car. Draw a shape like the one in the picture below them. This shape will become the bumper of the car. Draw two ovals to represent the tires and draw a curved line over the top to represent the front wheel well. Curve the lines that you drew for the top part of the cabin and curve the line for the top of the hood. Now our drawing is starting to come together. Draw a curved line for the back end of the inside of the cabin and a V for the logo on the hood of the car. Finish the shape of the bumper by drawing the outlines for it. Draw a couple of smaller ovals for the wheels and finish the tires with a couple of straight lines. Also draw the iconic detail shape down the side of the car. Finish the drawing by adding the steering wheel and the side mirror. Add details to the body, the lights, and the bumper. Draw the details on the wheels and make the tires look like white walls. Draw a shadow underneath the car to add to the realism. Erase any lines that you no longer need and darken up the lines that define the car. Remember to have some of your lines be thicker than others. This will make your drawing more interesting. And don't forget to visit howtodrawstuff.com, where you can go through this tutorial an image at a time and many others like it.